Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to delete your X account. So first of all, launch X app on your mobile device. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now, at the top left corner of your screen, you can see a profile picture icon. Tap on it. From here, go ahead and tap on the option of Settings and Support at the bottom. Now over here, tap on the option of Settings and Privacy. Now on top, you'll see the option of Your Account. Tap on it. Now at the bottom, you'll see the option of Deactivate Account. Tap on it as well. Now over here, you can see that if you deactivate your account, your display name, username, and public profile will no longer be visible on x.com for iOS and Android as well. If you wish to, you can restore your X account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deactivated for up to 30 days after deactivation. If you do not log in into your account before the time period of 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. So, if you wish to continue this, simply tap on the option of Deactivate at the bottom of your screen in red text. Now, before you proceed for deactivation, make sure that you remember your X account password. Now, once you have entered your password, tap on the option of Deactivate at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, simply tap on the option of Yes, Deactivate. Now you can see that your account is deactivated. So this is the step through which you will be able to delete your X account. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.